Welcome to our repair video. Today we'll be showing you how to fix a GLC300 after a small collision. But before we jump into the repair process, let's take a moment to appreciate the safety features of this car. Did you know that the GLC300 has earned the highest safety ratings from the IIHS? That's right, it's a top safety pick plus, but even with all the advanced safety technologies, crashes can still happen. And when they do, you can count on us to bring your car back to its pre-collision condition, so long as it doesn't total. Now let's get into the repair process. First we remove the handle and then the belt molding. We move on to the flare and then the bumper, being careful not to damage the clips. Then we remove the tail lamp covers, so the bumper can be removed. Now we need to unplug the bumper. The wire is located inside the trunk. After that, we can remove the bumper cover. Then the tail light comes out with a few 8mm nuts. We remove the bumper bracket, and then we can bring the Pro Spot machine over. We plug it in, turn it on, and set it up. We clean the paint off of the damaged area with a grinder. Then we ground the car to the machine and use a compass to mark our wheel arch line. We will use this line alongside the Pro Spot to guide us in the repair process. Using the Pro Spot machine, we can pull out the damage with a pull hammer and tap any warps down that come up with a pick hammer. Then we use a grinder to very carefully feather the paint down around the edges for a smoother transition. Now we mix it up and wipe some mud on it, making sure that it's thick enough to fill the dent. After it dries, we start to sand down the mud and make it as level and smooth as possible to the panel. Then we tap down any high spots, blow it off, mix more mud, wipe it again, and start to sand it down again as level as can be. After that, we switch to the bumper cover. We disassemble it by removing the locking tabs holding any parts in place and unplugging the blind spot monitors. Then we start to repair it by grinding it flat with 80 grit. When that's done, we use a butane torch to burn the bits of plastic off of the bumper from the 80 grit, and 180 over that, and then 320 over that. After the bumper is fixed, we tape up the car and prime both the car and bumper. After that, it's painted. Back over to me. We reinstall the belt molding and handle on the door. We rebuild the bumper cover, install it on the car, and reinstall the wheel flare. We plug the bumper back in and tidy up our mess. Now that you've seen how we repair a GLC300 after a crash, we hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, give this video a try. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye everybody.